Here at ASML Silicon Valley site, we have been making pathfinding research on e-beam inspection and metrology.
Our team is responsible for designing and prototyping the scanning electron microscope that forms the foundation of e-beam inspection tools.
When they are printing the features on the wafer, they can find any variations up to the resolution of 1 nanometer.
We are focusing on the high-volume manufacturing electron optic solutions so that we can quickly check whether the customer wafer is printed correctly, whether the yield meets the specs.
So this e-beam inspection and metrology is very critical for our success and also for our customers' success.
I maintain an active communication with our application team to understand what our customers need and leverage my technical expertise in scanning electron microscope to develop new features.
I think the innovation really being sparked by the fusion of ideas from different people from different backgrounds.
Knowing that our products provide real value to our customers and contribute to the technological advancement is truly exciting.
We are changing the world 1 nanometer at a time.
Join us.